Hi there. Today I have got something very important to share with you. It's those three essential elements that should be there on your thank you page. So I have been working on like a lot of funnels, lot of opt-in pages, and lot of I'll say sales pages, but I have realized that many of us, while creating funnels, we ignore thank you page, but that's the most important page. We don't understand that because we never thought that we can make conversions through the thank you page. And when somebody has subscribed to your opt-in, like maybe it is for a free guide, maybe it is for a kind of subscription, monthly subscription, or it can be a webinar, or it can be any free training they opted in for. So when they opted in for something free, they actually trusted you. Then they entered their credit, like their name, email, their details, and then they are really they are really ready to listen from you, like they really want to learn from you, and that is when you have already built the trust. Now when they subscribe and they go to the thank you page, they are already convinced, like with what you are offering and what you are teaching them. This is the page where these three essential elements should be there to make sure you are not leaving money on the table. First element is you have to make sure that there is a clear message, clear confirmation message. Confirmation message is very important. So if somebody has downloaded a ebook, like opted in for a ebook, then make sure you give a clear message on the thank you page that your ebook, your download is on the way, or please check your inbox for the download. Your download is ready, please check your inbox, something like that. Or your download is completed, please check your inbox. If it's a 3-part video series, then you can also mention, hey, I've sent you the first video, check your email, something like that. If they have purchased something, then you can say your order is complete. So make sure that the confirmation message is pretty clear and they know what just happened. Like they opted in, like they entered their details, and then what happened. Oh, so they know that the process is completed. Now the second thing is that a clear CTA. There should be a call to action. Don't leave your thank you page without a call to action, because now they are really convinced at this point, and they will definitely give they will be ready to receive more information, more value from you. So you can use that thank you page to nurture them at that point only. You can actually take them to your Facebook group where you are already sharing value. You can actually take them to a free training, a webinar page. You can actually give their option if they want to join that free webinar. You can put a nice small video that talks about the webinar, what they are going to get in that webinar. So all these things, and your call to action can also be a small purchase. Like if they have purchased a free ebook, then there can be a more detailed version of that ebook at like $9, $19, and you can tell them like with a small text and a CTA to purchase that. Now the third element is um, a clear instruction, the clear instruction. So you have to make sure that you have clearly mentioned like what next steps they have to take. They subscribe for your opt-in, they are on the thank you page, they can see the CTA, but then what they have to do. So you can put clear instructions like, please click on this red button, or please click on the below button to join or save the spot for your live training, for any purchase. Like you can say that please click on this below button to get the more detailed version of this ebook. So we have to give them steps. Or even I feel like you can also create a small video about how to whitelist your email ID, because I have seen nowadays a lot of emails like those welcome emails or the double opt-in emails, they go into spam or promotional emails. So what you can do is you can create a few steps, like one or two, and create a small video and show them like they have to go to their email and find their email ID and make sure they drag it into the primary email, so that next time when you send them email, it doesn't go into the spam or doesn't go into the promotion. So this is one of the best approach to put on the add to the thank you page, so that your users get what they asked for, and in the future as well they get all the emails from you. So these are the three elements. If you have it on your thank you page, you can easily nurture your audience. You get more, you can actually more build, you can build more authority, you can build more trust, and they will be so ready to purchase your next offers. So if you have any questions, please comment below, or you can DM me anything, and available at the rate Techie Girl, and I'm gonna post this in IGTV as well, so you can ask me anything over there. Thank you so much. Bye bye.